Hi guys! So happy April 15th. It's a Wednesday. This is going to be a relatively short video. I just want to break down the instructions, as you can see in my little instructor notes to myself, for your journal entry. Just as a reminder, because a lot of you are still not really doing this. Well, I'm not going to say a lot of you. Some of you are still not completing these to your best of your abilities. So I just want to go over. I had this up before, I must have exited out of it. How to do these journal entries. So this one's going to be identity. And you're going into this. Let me get into the actual assignment. Instructions. Okay, so you're watching a video again. And I know some of you are like, how do we do this with a video? Well, consider the words that are being said in the video just like they would be written down on paper like an article. I know that's kind of oversimplifying the idea, but what she says has a lot to do with what people write. So think of the words they say and the examples they give, and then compare it back to the chapter. So this journal entry, you're comparing back to chapter 3. So do not forget to put references in, because some of you are still forgetting to put references in from the chapter. And when you do so, reference the page number. You can simply do this by, after you put the quote, just put in parentheses after the quote, the page number within those parentheses. Some of you have been doing it differently. That's fine too. But if you really want to simplify, do it, just put the quote, or if you're referencing and it's not a direct quote, still just after you make a reference to the chapter, just put in parentheses after the sentence, the page number, and then the period. So, chapter 3, make references to it. Why think you're ugly is bad for you. So this is talking about identity and self-esteem and self-concept and body image, all mentioned in chapter 3, which we just went over yesterday in the videos. So we broke down what self-concept means, how self-esteem and your self-concept is affected by society and by the people around you. Watch the video, take that into consideration, and answer these 3 questions. Make sure you're answering these questions in full, using references from the text and references from the video. And don't forget to analyze the quotes that you put in. Don't just slap a quote in and saying, hey, this takes reference to it. Okay, good. Now, why does it compare to the question that you're answering, and how does it compare back to this video? Okay? Alrighty. So that is all I wanted to go over. This is due Friday. I'm not going to be having a video for tomorrow or Friday. So you guys get a break from my videos until Monday. And just make sure it doesn't have to be submitted, this is another thing that just kind of gives you a workthrough of what you're doing, so you're not turning this in. So consider it an extra work day, and if you want to make sure that you're really coming in and you're really understanding the concept, ethical challenge right there. And then chapter exam 3 is also on Friday. And start reading chapter 6. We're skipping chapter 4 and chapter 5. So skip to chapter 6 and start reading that text so that you're ready to go over it on Tuesday of next week. So this is considered the video, I guess, for Thursday and Friday as well. If you have any questions, again, don't forget you each have a copy of the exam so that you don't have to make your own copy, and then you just open that copy that I gave you, highlight the answers, and then submit it. Alright? If you have any difficulties, let me know. And like I said, no videos for Thursday and Friday. Just do what the slides tell you to do and what I mentioned in this video. So have a good rest of your week. If you have any questions, email me. If you want to set up a video conference, if you're really wanting like some one-on-one breakdown of the information, let me know, and we can set that up 12 to 24 hours ahead of time. Right now my schedule is pretty free. Not a lot of you are setting up video conferences with me, which is fine if you're understanding the topic, but if you really need that video conferencing, you need that one-on-one time, let me know. My schedule, like I said, is pretty free right now. Alright, so I'll talk to you on Monday. Have a good day. Bye.